Hi everyone, welcome back to the Folding Ladies YouTube channel. I'm Sophie, the Folding Lady, and welcome to my gift wrapping series. Today we're going to wrap one of the top most bought Christmas presents, which is the book. Now, of course, I'll just plug my own book while we're here, The Folding Lady, out now, available in all good bookstores and on Amazon. This one is the UK version. This one is the US and the Canadian version, but they are both the same book. And yeah, out now. And what a great Christmas gift these would be. Anyway, moving on, plug over. I'm going to show you 4 different book wraps today, one of which is available in my book. Another plug. So we're going to do 4 different gift wraps today, and I'm going to run you through just now what you're going to need. So you're going to need some wrapping paper, traditional wrapping paper, doesn't matter which ones, whatever you like. Not too thick because we're going to do some big folds. And what else will you need? You'll also need some sellotape. I've said this before, but I'm using the plant-based sellotape from Sellotape. You're going to need some double-sided sticky tape. I prefer from the brand Sellotape. Sounds like an ad, not an ad. You're also going to need some scissors, and then you're going to need some decoration, maybe your Christmas cards, and then some ribbon. I'm going to show you 2 types of ribbon that I like to use. I've got the traditional sort of satin ribbon, but this is my favorite type of ribbon. This is wired ribbon. And if you're not great at tying ribbon and tying bows like me, wired ribbon's really good because you can really change the way it looks, make it look really fun, and it will hold in place. So even if it's a messy bow, it will look so beautiful. So 4 different gift wraps. Let's go.